Welcome to our showdown of the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM modules. Today, we will be comparing the standard CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 with the RGB variant. Both of these RAM modules are designed for high-performance computing, but they cater to different needs. The standard Vengeance offers a massive 64 GB capacity, ideal for heavy multitasking and content creation, while the RGB version provides a faster speed of 6,400 MHz, along with stunning RGB lighting for those who want to enhance their PC's aesthetics. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to speed, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM takes the lead with a blazing speed of 6,400 MHz, compared to the standard Vengeance DDR5's 5,200 MHz. This higher speed can significantly impact performance in gaming and intensive applications, allowing for faster data transfer and improved responsiveness. If speed is your priority, the RGB variant is the clear winner. In terms of capacity, the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 RAM offers a substantial 64 GB, which is perfect for users who require extensive memory for multitasking, content creation, or running virtual machines. On the other hand, the Vengeance RGB DDR5 provides 32 GB, which, while still sufficient for many users, may not meet the needs of those who push their systems to the limit. Therefore, for those prioritizing capacity, the standard Vengeance DDR5 is the better choice. Aesthetically, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM shines with its integrated RGB lighting, allowing users to customize the look of their build with vibrant colors and effects. In contrast, the standard Vengeance DDR5 lacks RGB features, focusing solely on performance. For users who value aesthetics and want to showcase their builds, the RGB variant is the way to go, while those who prefer a more understated look may opt for the standard version. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR Vengeance DDR5 and the RGB variant offer excellent performance, but they cater to different needs. If you prioritize capacity and performance, the standard Vengeance DDR5 is your best bet. However, if you want a faster speed and stunning RGB lighting, the Vengeance RGB DDR5 is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.